Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type here control panel. From the search results, click here to open. Once you are here, you need to go to search bar. So in the search bar, we have to find POWER like power. Then click on the power options. Now click on change plane settings. Then go for change advanced power settings. Once we are here, we need to expand these USB settings. Just click on the plus icon. Again click on plus icon and make sure we have to disable this one. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. You can right click on the start icon and click on run. You can also press Windows key plus R key together to open the run. Then type here devmgmt.msc and hit enter. So on this window we need to find out the universal serial BOS controllers. So here it is. Expand these. From the USB host controller, right click on it and select properties. Then go to JavaScript, select update driver and select the first one. If this not work, go back and select the second option and click here. Check this, select next, and there we go. Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S and on this window we need to execute the command gp update and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process, around 2 to 5 minutes, or maybe within seconds it will complete. Once done, type exit and close this window. Now restart the system. So after doing this process, hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.